Hello everyone, welcome to Educational Hub. In this video, we'll learn how to create digital handwritten notes using NotebookLM. So, let's begin. If you have a PDF of a book chapter, your own handwritten notes, or any study material you use for classes or lectures, you can easily turn all of it into digital handwritten notes for your teaching. So how can we do this? Let's understand it step by step. First, open NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Method 1. If you have a PDF of a book chapter, you can upload it directly. Click on Choose File and upload your PDF. Here we've uploaded a chapter PDF on gravitation as a source. Now what's the next step? If you want to turn this content into handwritten style notes, where should you go? Go to the slide deck option and click on the pencil icon shown there. Here, you'll need to adjust a few settings. You can choose between detailed text slides or presenter style slides, depending on what you need. In the language section, you can select Hindi, and almost all regional languages are supported as well, Gujarati, Marathi, or any other language you prefer. Now enter a prompt like this. Create a slide deck from these sources that looks like student handwritten notes. After that, click on Generate. Your slide deck is now ready. Let's take a look at it. This is the first slide, followed by the second slide. As you can see, the explanations are very clear and easy to understand. The content is not overcrowded. Usually NotebookLM adds too much text, which makes slides hard to use directly. But here, that problem doesn't exist. The content is well balanced and can be used straight away in your classes. All the important points are included, without any unnecessary information. From here, you can download the file as a PDF. You can either print it or use it as slides during your lectures. Now, let's talk about the second method. Here, you can see that we've added 5 images of handwritten notes as sources. Now, we simply repeat the same process. Go to the slide deck, click on the pencil icon, choose the same settings, use the same prompt, and click Generate. Here's the output. Let's take a preview. The topic here is research. Methods of research. You can see that the content has been explained very clearly without adding any unnecessary text. Moving on to the next slide, all the key points needed for explanation, understanding, and revision are included, and the visual presentation is really well designed and easy to understand. These slides can be used very effectively in classes, lectures, and even in videos. If you teach online or create YouTube content, you can easily use these slides without any issues. Now let's look at one more method. What if you don't have any notes or PDFs at all? What can you do then? You can use the web search feature inside NotebookLM. Just enter your topic, and NotebookLM will gather all the available resources related to it. Using those resources, you can create a slide deck by following the same process we discussed earlier. Let me show you the output. Here are your well-designed digital handwritten notes, ready to be used in your classes. Everything is explained clearly, along with relevant images and diagrams. There are no copyright issues here. No images are copied from external sources. The content is original and completely authentic. You can confidently use these slides for teaching, lectures, and video creation. If you truly want to teach seriously on YouTube, grow your channel, and earn from it, learning how to use AI properly is extremely important. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.